Students, today we will discuss about simple triple integrals. Okay, so let us take the first question. So the heading is triple integrals. So let us take the first question. Evaluate triple integral. Triple means three, yeah? So three integrals. Now the first question, we have triple integral with constant limits. Okay, so the lower limit as well as the upper limit will have numbers. Okay, so 0 to 1, 0 to 2, and 1 to 2. The function to be integrated is 12x minus 4y, and with dx, dy, and dz. Okay, so let us start the answer. So you can see from the integral, so the first variable of integration is x. The corresponding limits are given here. The second variable of integration is y. The corresponding limits are given here. The third variable of integration is z. The corresponding limits are given here. Okay, so you have to follow the order. So let us take the integral. I rewrite the question one more time. So 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 1 to 2. Just I am rewriting the question, nothing else. So 12x minus 4y dx, dy, dz. Okay, so now I am going to integrate with respect to x. So this is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 2. So I am going to integrate with respect to x. If there is x, integrate, otherwise add x. So what do you get here? So 12x. So when you integrate, it is 6x square. 6x square, because the derivative of 6x square is 12x. So minus, here there is no x, so what you have to do, you have to add x. So 4yx within the limit 1 to 2. The remaining I have to write, so dy and dz. But look here, the both upper limit as well as lower limit contains a non-zero number. So don't forget, you have to put two brackets with minus sign. So 0 to 1, 0 to 2. So what I have to do, so two brackets with minus sign. Okay, then after that dy, dz. So put the upper limit in the place of x. So 6 times of 2 square, that is 24, minus, so in the place of x I have to put 2, so 4 times of 2, that is 8y, and in the lower limit in the place of x I put, so it is 6, minus, in the place of x I put 1, so you get 4y. So simplify, so what you get is 0 to 1, 0 to 2, so 24 minus 6, that is 18, minus 8y plus 4y. Yeah, so here if you multiply, it is a plus 4y, minus 8y plus 4y, it is minus 4y. So what do you get? You have dy dz. So you have to simplify it before going for the second integration. So let us integrate the function with respect to y. So what you get, if there is y, integrate, otherwise add y. So that's the formula. So that's the idea. So here in the first term there is no y. So what I do, I add y. In the second term there is y. Integrate y square by 2. So 2 cancelled with 4. You get 2y square. Or the derivative of 2y square is 4y. So within the limit is 0 to 2 and dz. Check here, the lower limit is 0. So just apply the upper limit in the place of y, replace it by 2. So what do you get? It is 0 to 1. I replace. So what you get? It is 18 times of 2, it is 36, minus 2 times of 2 square, that is 8, and the lower limit is 0, so leave as it is. So what do you get? You get 28. Okay, so 28. So integral 0 to 1, 28 dz. So 28, it is z within the limit 0 to 1. So it is 28, 1 minus 0. So this is the way to answer the triple integral which involves constant limits. Okay. Let us go to the second question. So let us take this as first question. Let us go to the second question where we discuss with variable limits. So evaluate integral 0 to 1, 0 to y, 0 to x, 6y minus 4z minus 3x, and here dz, dx, dy. Okay, so as I said before, the uh, the the order as well as the corresponding limits for every variable. Okay, so let us go to the answer directly. So I write in different colors. So answer. So I rewrite the function, the integral, the triple integral one more time. So 0 to 1, 0 to y, 0 to x. So 6y minus 4z minus 3x. I just rewrite the question, so nothing else. So dz, dx, dy. So the first variable of integration is z. So the rule is simple. If there is z, integrate, otherwise add z. So 0 to 1, 0 to y. So see the first term, 6y, there is no z, so you have to add it. So 6y is z, minus in the second term there is z. So if you integrate, it is z squared by 2, so it is nothing but 2z squared. Minus in the third term there is no z, just add it. So within the limit is 0 to x, then dx, dy. So in the place of x, you have to replace by, in the place of z, you have to replace by x, and here it's simple. The lower limit is 0. Just to check, in all the integral, the lower limit is 0. So it means it's not that much complicated. So what do you get? It is 0 to 1, 0 to y. In the place of z, you have to put x. So what do you get? It is 6yx minus 2x square minus 3x square. The lower limit is 0, so leave as it is. So before integrating what I told, just simplify. So you get 0 to 1, 0 to y, 6yx minus 5x square, 2x square, minus 2x square, minus 3x square. It is minus 5x square, then dx, dy. So now I am going to integrate with respect to x. So 0 to 1. So if there is x, integrate. So what do you get? So there is 6x. So what do you get? It is 3 x square y minus, here what you have, it is 5x cube by 3 within the limit 0 to y. So wherever there is x, you have to replace by y. Even here, the lower limit is 0. So 0 to 1. So wherever there is x, replace by y. So when you replace by y, 3y square multiply y, that is 3y cube, minus, here in the place of x, if I put y, it is 5y cube by 3. The lower limit is 0, so leave as it is. So it is dy. So simplify further. I think if you simplify, 3y cube minus 5y cube by 3. So take y cube outside. What is the remaining? 3 minus 5 by 3. So what is that? It is y cube. 3 is 3 by 1 minus 5 by 3. For your understanding, I can simplify that itself just for your understanding. I write in this way. So it is y cube. So 3 multiply 3, 9. 9 minus 5 divided by 3. So what do you get? It is 4y cube by 3. So what do you get now? This is nothing but 0 to 1, 4y cube by 3 dy. So take 4 by 3 outside as it is constant, and integrating the function y cube. So it is a 4 by 3 y power 4 by 4 within the limit is 0 to 1. So what do you get? You can cancel the 4 and apply the upper limit. Apply the upper limit. So what do you get? You get 1 by 3 as the answer. So that's all. This is the answer. So thank you.